Greetings everyone. Welcome to Code Leaks. This is Mariam Anwar. Before getting into the video, I would like you to visit our website. It contains quite helpful stuff regarding different software technologies like HTML, CSS, Python, JavaScript, and many more.
When there are undesired characters in a string, we need to remove the punctuation of the string. So in this video, we will learn how to remove punctuation from a string in Python. Here I am just starting a code which carries an easy logic to remove punctuation from your string. Starting with the variable string punctuation, it will be having all the defined punctuations. And after that, there is a variable myString, and in myString I will be writing the string with the punctuation so that I can show you the demo how the punctuations will be removed from that string. So you can read on your screen, I am just writing hello code leaks in the string with the punctuations. Remember one thing, that we will consider only those characters that are not in the variable string punctuation, saving it in the replace. Afterwards, a for loop will be used to iterate the string with the punctuation. Here I will be using a conditional statement if for first iterating my string variable and then checking if there are any punctuation. And as I have mentioned before, we will be considering only those characters that are not in the string punctuation variable, and they will be saved in the replace variable. Now I am concatenating all the characters with the concatenation operator here. These are all the strings that have been saved in the replace. And in the last, I am just printing the unpunctuated string. Okay. You can see in the output here how the characters have been saved one by one in the replace, and then in the end all of those characters got concatenated and one unpunctuated string has been printed. Now there is one more method to remove the punctuation from a string. What we can do is we can use a replace function rather than concatenating each character as we have done before. So there are few changes I am making in the previous code. As you can see, I have changed the if statement, and after the if statement I am just using the replace function to get my task done. I am writing my string is equals to my string dot replace, and inside the parameters I am giving the string with the empty character, and in the end I am just printing the unpunctuated string. Upon running the code, we have the output and the string is unpunctuated now. You can read hello code leaks with replace as we have used the replace function. That's why I changed the string a little bit. So you can see removing punctuation or any other character that we do not want in our code, it can be done with few lines of code only.
Okay, so that's all for today's topic. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share. And yes, press the bell icon for latest updates.